Best 5 drinks for weight loss. Several beverages helps and promote weight loss when used alongside a healthy lifestyle changes. Beverages like black tea, coffee, and high-protein drinks have been recommended to boost metabolism, promote fullness, and control hunger, all of which may promote weight loss. Here are 5 drinks that are some of the best to include in your diet when trying to burn fat and stay healthy. 1. Green tea. A study has found that people who consumed high-concentration green tea for 12 weeks lost an average of 0.2 to 3.5 kilograms as compared to those who did not drink green tea. Green tea has many health benefits, but we should focus on the fact that it contains high amounts of catechins and antioxidants that may increase fat burning and boost metabolism. 2. Coffee. Coffee is used by many people across the world to boost energy levels and lift the mood. As coffee contains caffeine, which is a substance that acts as a stimulant in the body and can help in weight loss. Coffee can decrease energy consumption and boost metabolism, which may help you lose weight. 3. Black tea. Similar to green tea, black tea includes compounds that may stimulate weight loss, as is a type of tea that has experienced more oxidation, exposure to air, than other types of teas, which results in a more powerful flavor and darker color. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar comprises acetic acid, which helps in weight loss by reducing insulin levels, improving metabolism, suppressing appetite, and burning fat. Animal studies have determined that acetic acid can prevent weight gain and reduce the fat quantity in the belly and liver. 5. Ginger tea. In India, we used ginger as a popular spice to add flavor to dishes and as an herbal remedy to treat various conditions such as nausea, colds, and arthritis. Various studies on animals and humans have also determined this flavorful root to have a beneficial impact on weight loss.